Hello friends, welcome back to our Explore You Ever channel. Now we are traveling to the heart of Europe to explore a food culture built on tradition, craftsmanship, and hearty flavors, Germany. Germany is world famous for its engineering and fairy tale castles, but its soul is found in its Küche or kitchen. German food is celebrated for its incredible variety of breads, world-class sausages, and comforting dishes that vary from the snowy Alps in the south to the windy coasts in the north. In Germany, food is about Gemütlichkeit, a sense of warmth, comfort, and belonging. Today, we are going to explore the iconic culinary treasures that represent the heart of German gastronomy. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the flavors of Germany. German bread, Abendbrot, the masterpiece of baking. The first and perhaps most important German food secret is its bread. While many countries have one or two famous breads, Germany has over 3,000 unique varieties. In Germany, bread is not just a side dish, it is a cultural heritage protected by UNESCO. From the dense, dark pumpernickel of the north to the classic pretzels, Brezeln of Bavaria, German bread uses high-quality rye, spelt, and whole grains. A traditional German Abendbrot, which means evening bread, is a light dinner where the bread is the star, served with high-quality butter, cold meats, and local cheeses. The secret lies in the long fermentation and the crisp, thick crust. It represents the German philosophy of quality and craftsmanship in every bite. Currywurst, the ultimate Berlin street food. Next on our list is Currywurst, a dish that tells the story of modern German history. Born in Berlin after World War II, this dish is a symbol of German resilience and creativity. It consists of a steamed, then fried pork sausage, sliced into bite-sized pieces and smothered in a unique sauce made of spiced tomato ketchup and heavy dusting of curry powder. Despite its simplicity, Germans consume over 800 million currywurst every year. It is the ultimate street food, usually served on a paper plate with a side of pommes, fries, or a crispy bread roll. Currywurst reflects the German love for sausages, of which there are over 1,500 types, and shows how a humble snack can become a national obsession. Black Forest cake, Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. A sweet tradition, the third delight on our list is the world-famous Black Forest cake. Originating from the scenic Black Forest mountain range in southwestern Germany, this is a masterpiece of baking. It is made of several layers of chocolate sponge cake, sandwiched with whipped cream and maraschino cherries. The secret ingredient that makes it authentic is Schwarzwälder Kirschwasser, a clear cherry brandy distilled in the Black Forest region. According to German law, a cake cannot even be called a Black Forest cake unless it contains this specific brandy. Enjoying a large slice of this cake during Kaffee und Kuchen, coffee and cake time, is a beloved German tradition that turns any afternoon into a special occasion. Why German food is special? German cuisine is admired because it is honest and regional. It respects the seasons and the land. Whether it's the white asparagus, spargel in the spring, the hearty stews in the winter, or the world-famous beer brewed under strict purity laws, each region offers its own food secrets. From the lively beer gardens of Munich to the trendy food halls of Hamburg, German food is about community, tradition, and a deep respect for local ingredients. So friends, that was our journey through Germany's amazing food culture. If you ever visit Germany, trying these staples in their home regions will give you a true taste of the German spirit. Now we would love to hear from you. Which German food or dessert would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Explore You Ever channel for more exciting videos about food, countries, and cultures from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.